Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Nationwide Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nationwide.co.uk and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Nationwide Mortgage. Now from the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will find the login to mortgage manager option. Go ahead and click on this and you will be taken into the login page for your mortgage account. Just type in your customer number within the customer number section and then enter your date of birth underneath within the date of birth section. After entering your correct customer number as well as your date of birth, click on the continue button and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your username and your password and proceed forward and you will be logged into your Nationwide mortgage account right away. In case you cannot remember your customer number, then click on forgotten your customer number and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your mortgage account with Nationwide. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.